Shashikala was admitted to Victoria Hospital yesterday around 2:30. She was tested negative yesterday at Boring Hospital. From there, she was referred here for CT scan, and then we got the CT scan done, and our doctors examined her, and the CT score was around 16 out of 25. That is a severe score. So we suspected that the first test could have been false negative. So we repeated the test, and by around 9:30 we got the results that it is COVID positive. So we shifted her. She was shifted to ICU even before only. All treatment was started, and then since she became COVID positive, we have shifted her to there's another block where COVID patients are kept. There's a trauma care block. We have shifted her to that ICU, and she's being managed. Not a problem. She's being managed, and she's stable. There's nothing to worry about her condition.
Still the fever is there, sir? What kind of fever still?
There is no fever. She doesn't have any fever. Her pulse rate, blood pressure, everything is stable. The oxygen SpO2 she's maintaining around 95 with about 10 liters of oxygen. Except for the infection as seen in the lungs, as seen in the CT scan. Everything else is, all the other parameters are fine, and all protocols as COVID-19 protocols, the treatment is being followed, and she's being treated by our doctors, and she's being continuously monitored.
Sir, the health parameters compared to yesterday, there are a lot of difference. What is that?
There is no difference. She has improved a little bit, but she's not deteriorated. It is not right to say she's deteriorated. She's in the same state as yesterday, but because it is just one day for the treatment to take effect and all that, it will take another 2-3 days. But she's definitely stable. There's nothing to worry.
Is there still she is having that wheezing problem, breathing struggle?
Because of that lung infection, it will be there for a few days. After that, once the treatment takes effect, it will come down.
How many days is supposed to be here, sir?
So usually it is same for all COVID patients. It is usually around 10 days, 10 to 14 days. And again, depending on the condition at the time of discharge. Usually 10 to 14 days, the protocol is we discharge the patient. Following that, they have to be in home quarantine for another 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
How far you are confident about her health condition?
Right now, she is stable. She is fine right now. Yeah.
So the lung infection shows little bit severe also.
No.
More than 50%.
Yeah, that's right. That is why she's being treated in the hospital. That's why she's admitted in ICU and being treated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you.